Jitendra Kumar and welcome in JK Tutorials, the Java Socket programming in part 2. Now in the previous video I am explained how to write a Java files for the server side coding. Now in this video I am going to explain you how to write a code for clients Java files. So for Java files, create a new file, that is import. Before writing the code you must save the file with name as client.java, and remember that that file must be kept in those folder in which the server file have already kept. Okay, so let's start writing for code for the server client side. So import java.input output libraries and class, that is client. Okay, narrator public. Okay, sorry for that. Public static void main, that is string. It's maybe anything, but by default it's a standard, so I'm writing here. So write a try catch block for catching the error during the execution of the program. Exception E. Now for displaying the error, our dot print ln, that is E dot to string. Okay, for the client side we must create a socket equals to new socket, which take two argument. First one is IP address of the localhost. By default we know the IP address of the localhost, that is 127.0.0.1, and port number as the second argument. You must be remember that the port number is same as you write in the server side coding. Okay, now for input output, receiving the data from the server side coding and getting the data from the keyboard, you must these steps are same, so I simply copy this code and paste here. Okay, for making a chat I create a while loop, and now I'm write code for client for sending the data to the server, that is system.out.print, that is send. Okay, now sending the data to the socket, data output is stream dot write utf, that is br dot read line. Okay guys, now for receiving the data from the socket, system.out.println, receiving the data from the socket, we write a code for, that is received data from data input stream dot read utf. Okay friends, now we have done all this coding stuff for both Java server files and client.java. So I'm going to start to run this program. So open the CMD and go to the folder in which the Java files are kept. So cd, I'm going to set cd socket. Now I'm going to set the path, you go to the C drive and program files, etc files, and you must remember that Java must be installed in your local machines and go to the bin folder and this copy this path simply and close this window and come here in the Windows CMD window and paste the path and press enter. For compiling the Java files, write a code for javac and server.java. Okay friends, there is a simple error in the server file on line number 1. Okay, new on line number 14. Oh, so sorry. Now there is an error except a line 3 errors. Oh my god. Okay friends, I'm extremely sorry for that. One library is also import for the chatting, that is java.net. Okay, you can simply add this line to the both in the server side and in also for client side. Okay, now again run this, compile this file. Now you can see that there is no error. This server.java file is successfully compiled and then compile the client Java files. Okay, capital Java. Okay, I misspelled that. Now you can see there is a one error. Okay, same as previous error, so you simply remove this and compile. Okay friends, client.java file are also successfully compiled. Now open the new CMD window for a client side. Same procedure as the previous done. cd socket and set path and paste the path which already copy. Sorry, it's a mistake. And so you must go to the C drive and program files and Java, JDK and bin and simply copy this path and save this path to the CMD window. And now you can simply run this Java files, Java server. Okay, you see that Java server files is already on running. So for client you can simply type the client. Okay, you see that both windows open. This window is for client window and this is for the server window. Now you can simply type hi. You can simply hear hi. You know, this message received on the server side, hi. So now you can type hi, I'm fine. Now you can say hi, I'm fine. You can see that this will both bidirectional. The client also send the message and server side also send the message onto the client. So thank you friends, I hope you enjoy this video for the Java socket programming, and I hope you must know about how to write a Java coding for the socket programming. So now I request you to must like my video and subscribe my channel, and I hope I post many videos related to Java programming. And thank you, have a wonderful day. Thank you friends.